Looking for projectors? Your search for projector is over. Here's Epson S41, the most widely used projector in India, ideal for classrooms, meeting rooms and huddle rooms. Epson S41 is multifunctional, packed with features and the perfect choice to present true-to-life images. Switching off lights while using projector in classroom leads to strain on the eyes of the students and the teaching faculties. Now, with Epson S41 Projector, no need to switch off the lights as it has the brightness of 3300 lumens. Breaking down of projector VGA cable pins or HDMI cable connector is the major challenge for any educational institute. Now get Epson S41 Projector working on USB cable, a normal printer cable and optional Wi-Fi dongle to ensure important lectures do not stop even if VGA or HDMI cables are damaged. Teaching faculty can now project photos, videos wirelessly from smartphone with Epson iProjection app installed on iPhone and Android phone by using Epson optional Wi-Fi dongle. The scientific studies conducted recently across the world proves true color influences emotions, productivity and learning outcomes of every student in the classroom. Now, get Epson S41 Projector working on LCD technology which provides equal color light output and white light output to give true color pictures. Here's a glance into some of these true color pictures. For further details, contact us today.